Do you want to know how to make a really simple circle router jig? Stick with me. Hi, my name is Fabio and I want to show you how to make a router jig for making circles. That is on the market all these big plates where you need to screw your base. I'm sure it works really well, but I don't like much just because you need to take off this plate and screw the base on that router jig. So when you want to use the router, you need to take off again. When you put this plate back, you need to be sure that this is really centered. So every time I can make a jig that I can use the parallel guide system as attachment, I prefer to do that. So I think it's easier. When I want to use the jig, I just pop it in, use it. When I want to use the router for another thing, I just pop it out with few knobs, and I think it's much easier and faster. So I had one that was super improvised. It was literally just a stick with 2 holes and a couple of screws. I will make a new one, a bit fancier, but the concept is the same. I will just make something more permanent, let's say. Maybe even if this jig that I will make now can look a bit fancier for some people, the concept, what is important, is the same. I was using, as I said, just a piece of stick. So let's do it.